I found out today we are now lined up on the same cycle with gold. So here's what I think may happen. There's a chance that if we do break out in Bitcoin, it's got to happen before the end of October. So I'm thinking it could happen, break out in September sometime and maybe even into October. But if we get that breakout, I think it'll be also a bit of a big move in gold. But if we get it and we get to our target, which now, by the way, on Bitcoin is closer to 90,000 from 85, and it runs as potentially to 105. So this is
Wow.
the big spike. And this
Yeah,
has to be, you see the date here, November
yeah.
1st, which means it's got to be finished by the end of
Right before
October.
the election. So let me ask you this. Okay, so you're expecting a near-term correction here, and that's what I'm going to get
Well,
back
right
to.
now we're in this correction. We got to get through 73 before you can get bullish again. Short term, we're negative.
But
Medium and long term, we're bullish.
but for it to get to 73, it's going to give you some flags that before it goes
Yeah,
there.
exactly. But you got to
It's not
get
going to just
through here.
rocket up there in 2 days.
Probably no, it's not going to do in 2 days. No. This is
Or even 3 days or 4 days or a
I'm
week.
thinking before the end of August, we probably will be up banging on this door unless something really nasty goes down with what's happening with the yen or we talked about the clearing houses or the banks, something like that
Yeah.
weird. But we got to get through 72, 73. I think we'll be challenging it this month. And then we could get a couple of months run. But if we do, here's my concern. Let's say, oh, things are great. We start to get a breakout on Bitcoin. 73 closes above there. Gold is going well. We're up to 25, 26.
Yeah.
I feel, Dick, like once we get the sell signal that we've reached our targets, not by the number, but by the signals I'm getting, because it could be the first week in October that we start getting early sell signals. I think it's over for a while.
Really?
Yeah, I think possibly that may be the top for a few months. So if it
Wow,
follows,
that's news. Okay,
yeah, it is
Marty,
news.
I'm going to steal a clip of this and put it on YouTube. So I know you hate being on YouTube, and idiots will put all kinds of stupid comments in it. But
You know what? I don't
sorry,
mind anymore because it's the same idiots that are. I don't know why, but they're
yeah.
just.
So I'm going
It's
to
nice
put
that
that
they
little
follow
clip.
you.
That's your
Well,
free
let me
sample.
clarify. Yeah, we'll
That's the
clarify
free
it.
sample. Marty's site is Bullshift, SHIFT, bullshift2020.com, and of course, our private site is futureforecastinggroup.com, and you can hear the full analysis of US dollar, gold, and silver. Okay, so that's
Okay, so let me just clarify one more time, so there's no misunderstanding. We are in a short-term correction, bear market.
Mhm.
To get bullish on my cycle, which runs until the end of October, we have to get through convincingly through the 73. And I think there's a chance we'll test the top in August, providing the stock market doesn't go completely in the shitter. Okay.
Mhm.
At that point, if we break out and we can get convincingly above 73 and close up there, I think we're on our way to our target up around the 90,000 at least. And if that happens and we cycle into October, I will be looking for a signal suggesting that we are going to top out, whether it's 90, 95, wherever, but the signal will come. And at that point, I think we're in for a couple of months of correction. I think that will be the end of that run for the short term. I don't know how long we're going to be down once it's down. It could go all the way back to 60, 70 again. So that's where I think we're going. And gold will probably follow it. But gold, I just found it today when I ran the Oracle numbers that it's on the same cycle. So if this happens that we break out in Bitcoin and gold starts to move, we could actually end up on the same cycle so that they both come down hard at the same time. And one more thing, if the stock market gets this correction this week that we're expecting and starts back up, it could actually participate along with the dollar in this rally later in September or October. Those are all things that are suggesting something could be happening more in Europe that's going to send money to safety across the sea over here. So, hey guys, this is just what I surmised from what my chart says, what the charts say this weekend. So that's a mouthful. It's a lot, and I'm sticking my neck out here, but there's a chance this may all unfold that way. you.